How to delete website from Google Analytics. So first just head over to Google Analytics online and you shall be landing on this page over here. So what you need to do from over here is just click on this settings or gear icon, which is also as admin icon over here. Just tap on this and you shall be heading over to this screen where you can easily find out all of your properties of different websites, and based on the particular websites that you have already created, just click on select any one of them. So let me just quickly select this system.io, and once inside here you just have to click on this property settings button over here. You can see right below the setup assistant button, and just tap on this property settings. So once you tap on it, you should be heading over to this page where you can see all of your details of your property, and under the top right section here you should see move to bin up button, and once you tap on this you will be redirected to here. Just tap on this move to bin once more, and once you click on it you should be successfully removing your website or property account from your Google Analytics. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.